Alright, so I know how I would do that. Google search TV, go to images. So this is option 1 is to go scroll and find a TV like that right there. Or option 2. Get a usable photo at the front of that. Well, since I'm too lazy and I don't want to go through all that trouble, but you can make a guess which one I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna search real fast. This one. This one got no stock stuff. I think this should work. My random stuff store. There's the TV. Put it there. Let me slide that on. Stretch it all the way across. Now I go right here to get the actual thing. Now I want to blow that up. Not blow it up, but like scale it to the size. So I'm gonna want about there. And a new effect controls. Let's put, I think it might just be a crop actually. Let's put that on there. Yes, okay. Kind of go across here. Up. Now let's kind of get that better. Alright, and last step should be here. Crank that crop all the way up, and now we have it coming through. I need to modify it a bit so it all fits the way I'd like, but overall that should get it to about where I'd want. Now if I just play. So now I need to move that over. But other than that, now we have it coming through a TV.